how to crop a picture on an Android phone using the gallery without any additional software. So start the gallery, select the picture that you want, let's say that one. Now if I pinch in using 2 fingers, an icon will appear in the lower left corner. So pinch, and I zoomed it in. Okay, now press that icon in the lower left corner, which by the way disappears if you zoom out. So if you zoomed in, then the icon is visible. So press that icon in the lower left corner. A picture is here. So this was captured, and that's the original picture. This is the cropped version, and that's the original zoomed out version. So that's how to create another version of your image which cropped down the sides, and thus it made it smaller and it zoomed it in. That's the original, and that's the zoomed in cropped version.